urgent weather message. For the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 338, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 338 has been issued from 4:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties, in Ohio, Defiance, Fulton, Henry, and Williams. The urgent weather message for the following county, Williams, Ohio. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, northeastern Delaware Cobb County in northeastern Indiana, southwestern Williams County in northwestern Ohio, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Hamilton, or near Angola, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Hamilton around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Eden around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Blakesley, Alvarado, Long Lake, Metz, Pleasant Lake, Hamilton Lake, Steubenville, and Arctic. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 346 and 347. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 7 and 9. This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for the WXL51 listening area of northwest Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of, or existing severe weather, in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford, Huron, Richland, and Seneca. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Huron County, northwestern Richland County, southeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Crawford County, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chatfield, or 9 miles north of Bucyrus, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near New Washington and Chatfield around 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Shelby, Willard, and Plymouth around midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Tyro and North Fairfield.